Nowadays, more and more working women in the fast-paced life of the city are constantly looking for a balance between life and work. The new generation of working women are more concerned about themselves, and they are constantly striving to become a better version of themselves. But how do you measure your overall well-being? How do you find the most appropriate model for a healthy life? So, we designed the concept of self-pleasing image and self-pleasing index to measure the overall psychological state of women. We created the Self, an intelligent system for career women that focuses on the overall mental state of the mind, delivering the three-level value of love myself. Self focuses on women's psychological pleasure, gain insights into emotional data, sleep, exercise, and the other activity data, and even environmental data like position and candidate, help women understand the factors contributing to changes in their mind state. Know yourself is not only about users understanding themselves more clearly, but also about the system understanding them more intelligently. It will be a life coach when you feel stressed about your work, combining monitor HRV data and active recording data, as well as other personal data for machine learning, constantly optimize the user profile and giving you personalized advice, perhaps getting out by the window in a work break. Delight yourself is to help you perceive positive statures and provide you with some suggestions of your favorite activities at the right time when you are in an active mood. It can be your exercise partner, capturing the perfect state of pleasure after a perfect workout, triggering reminders and records of pleasure moments. Well manage them yourself. Self-visualize the data, helping women understand the factors contributing to changes in their mind state so that they can adjust the life patterns. The system can be used in Huawei's other product, creating more scenarios in women's life. Self, your life moderator.